feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. That out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. Solving your Good afternoon, everyone. Today is my family room reset. So I'm going to take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so now I'll tell you about the small changes that I have made for winter. First, we'll start here with the sofa table. What I've done, I've left the garland here. I've went in and I've added the 2 vases. I've added branches from Walmart in each. And I've
put the lifestyle book here and just a little gold lantern. Inside it, I have the 2 acorns and a little fox. On the side, I kept my beautiful basket that I picked up at Goodwill. I told you all about it. I added the large black link chain to it, and I put a black gift box inside. So now I'll take you over to the fireplace. Now I will be changing this. The next time you see it, it will not be the same because I'm going to pick up a new print. But on this side, I have a large vase with the stems. I've kept, again, my garland with the acorns and also my reindeer and my print. On the side, I've added 2 candle holders. And of course, I have the light up there. Down here on the hearth, I have a large lantern that I picked up from Ross's. And on this side, I have the large vase from Ross's. On each side of my fireplace, I've added the cheers. I have went in and changed out my pillows. I kept the black pillows, but I went in and added the caramel brown pillows. I've also added the tree throw, and over here the black throw. Over there I came back with that brownish throw. On my coffee tables here, I've come back in with the clear gold vases. Inside I've added some lights so it light up at night. I have a couple of branches and the little black bow. I also have my candle here and a little reindeer, my beads, and over on the side I have a few more little branches. Here I have 2 coffee table books and the Starburst. On this table here, I kept my box for my remotes. I've added a couple of acorns and a little plant that I picked up at the Goodwill. On this other side, I've added the vase that matches the larger one. I just brought it over here, put a stem in it, and added the 2 candlesticks. In my cabinet, I have a vase, my bust, and a couple of coffee table books. Here in the center, I put a large vase with the vines falling out of it and a light. This end is the same with the vase and the bust. On the bottom, I've added a reindeer and I've added the beautiful vases with the big gray flowers. In the center, I've added the vase with the light, and on the bottom, of course, I have the 2 boxes with the light. So guys, this is my winter reset. The next reset I'll be doing will be for Valentine's Day. And we will be doing Lovemas, so make sure you're around. We'll be doing Lovemas from February the 1st to February the 3rd. I truly hope I have given you some ideas for decorating your home for the winner. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my winter reset. I want to thank the Design family for coming along with me today on this reset, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.